When a car turns a corner, the wheels on the outside must travel a greater distance than the wheels on the inside. So how does a car's powertrain, which sends power equally, account for this difference? The answer lies in a brilliant piece of engineering: the differential. In a straight line, the differential has an easy job. Power enters through the pinion gear and spins a large ring gear. This, in turn, spins the differential case, which contains two small pinion gears. Since both wheels are turning at the same speed, these internal gears do not rotate on their own axis. The magic happens in a turn. As the car corners, the inner wheel slows down while the outer wheel must speed up. This difference in speed forces the small pinion gears inside the case to begin rotating. They walk around the slower-moving inner gear, transferring the excess rotation and power to the faster-spinning outer wheel. This simple, elegant mechanism ensures that power is always sent to both wheels, without any of them skidding or binding. From a simple turn to high-performance racing, the differential is a core part of automotive engineering. It's a testament to the fact that the most brilliant solutions often lie in the details. If you were fascinated by this unseen assembly, hit that subscribe button to explore more engineering marvels. And tell us in the comments, what other incredible process do you want to see unraveled next?